Hello. As you can see, this banner in front of you is something to do with 1/44 scale. It's not my particular subject, but I went to Telford this year. I bumped into this stand and saw these exquisite kits, and I thought to myself, I need to sort of find out a bit more information about them. So I spoke to the gentleman behind the counter, who I believe, spends a lot of time making these, designing them, building proofs, sending them off to get the proofs done, send them back to him so he can check if everything's okay, and then tell the manufacturer to go ahead and produce some for him. I saw this stand last year. I wasn't particularly interested at that particular time, but this year I thought, oh, I'll have a look. So I did, and there was some lovely kits on display. After talking to the gentleman behind the counter, he convinced me into purchasing a kit. So I did, and the kit that I purchased stood out like a sore thumb to me because it was just beautiful. And there you are. There's 4 versions within this kit. I'm going to build one of these. What I'll do now is I'll just show you what's in the kit itself. It's pretty amazing. Once I've done all this and I'm happy with how the review's gone, I'll put it on YouTube later. Let's crack on and have a look at the bits of the kit. So first of all, we have the colour call-outs. We have to this side and to this side, and it's beautiful. It's really well done. I mean, it's not an A4 sheet, but it's just about right. The information there. So you got like I say, two each side. So you've got plenty of choice to go with, and then we have the page where it shows you all the parts, as you can see. There we go. Try and get the shine off there. So it's quite comprehensive to say it's a small 1/44 scale. We have a page where we've got the stencils, and there is a lot of stencils on here. And if you turn the page over, there's some more. So yeah, it can be quite busy sticking stencils on this kit when it's done. But to be fair, looking at the model on the display stand with all those stencils, it just popped. It was beautiful. So it's gonna look good, that. And here's the stencil sheet. Small, very small, beautifully done. It's gonna look good. It's gonna make the model once they're on. And if you're one of those people that is a stickler for putting the stencils on, I mean, they are so small, but it's going to be worth it. There are probably areas in the model that you needn't bother putting it on because no one's going to, you're going to lift it up and show people, are you? But if you're a stickler for this sort of thing, you're going to put them on anyway. And it's a lovely decal sheet. So that's going to go away safe so it doesn't get damaged. And then finally, the last bit of information on here, it is really good. It's an assembly guide with regards to the resin itself. So anyone that's not particularly, it's not their forte to work with resin, bit of information here to sort of like guide you through the processes of working with this stuff. So that's a really nice touch. You don't get much from other manufacturers with this. So yeah, kudos to this gentleman putting this in. It's really nice. So yeah, looking forward to building this model. And here we have the parts. Not all of them. There's a little bag here of bits and bobs, undercarriage and pipes and antennas and stuff like that. I'm not going to get them out because I don't really want to lose them. But I'll just show you the wings. You can just see the detail on that. Get that focused. Hopefully. Let me see if I can come closer. All those panel lines. As you can see, let's get the angle right so you can see it. Beautiful. There we go, part of the underbelly. Look at that detail. I mean, you can see how big it is by just looking at my hands. Yeah. This one, the top. Oh, is it? No, the underside, sorry. So here's the underside. Yeah, a little bit of cleaning, but not much. But look at that. And then we've got the rear exhaust nozzles. There we go, look at that. And we've got just see pilot seats, nose cone, and then we've got the booms. Those, the detail on that is lovely. Both the same. So this gentleman has certainly worked hard on these, and I think it deserves some quality time building this. There you go, look at that. The wheels, there's some detail in the wheels as well if you look closely. I don't know if I can come up and get focus, but no. But yeah, take my word for it, there's detail inside there. And then, yeah, you've got your undercarriage doors. Yeah, just lovely. And then we've got a little bit of brass on there. So I won't take them out because I don't want to lose them. And like I say, there's a lot of other bits in there. You can just see the undercarriage, and there's some other little, I don't know what they are, but you know, there's, I don't want to take them out because I don't want to lose them. And also you can see the canopy. It's so small. So yeah, this is going to be a challenge for me because I don't do this scale that often. I've probably only done a couple in my time modelling, but hopefully I can come up with something in the coming months and put this up so you can see it. So like I say, watch this space, and then hopefully something will emerge soon. And like I say to you, happy modelling, and thank you for watching.